Hi everyone. Our group is RBC, Royal Bank of Canada, and our group members. My name is Jatinder Singh.
My name is Paramveer Singh.
And one is Bikramji Singh. So, according to the first question, looking back to January, has your perspective changed as to what is considered ethical and what is not in business? So my answer is yes. After taking classes of marketing, ethics and law, I came to know that how our organization is rely on ethical business issues. Business is not only meant to earn profit but also to care about the people, values and morals. Whereas if organization is paying attention to the moral and values of the consumers, it is beneficial for the company because they are also giving attraction from the people. So, moreover, business ethics are moral principles that guide the way a business behaves. The same principles that determine an individual's action also apply to business. Acting in an ethical way involves this difference between right and wrong and then making the right choice. It is relatively easy to identify unethical business practice. For example, companies should not use child labor. They should not illegally use copyrighted materials and process. They should not involve actions. They should not involve the corruption, etc. However, it is not always easy to create similar hard and fast definitions of good ethical practice. A company must make a competitive return for its shareholders and treat its employees fairly. Work in ways that do not damage the community in which it cooperates. This is known as corporate social responsibility, which all organizations should have apply in their business. So the thing which stands out most in this course is ethical issues. Like if you are doing business, if you have any organization or company, you should also take care about the people's moral and values and their cultural beliefs also, so that you can also earn some attention from the people. So next is Paramveer Singh.
Next question: why did you select the organization that you did? This organization is Canadian organization, Royal Bank of Canada. I chose this organization because it is very powerful in Canada among other banks, because we know that there are a lot of other banks in Canada, like Scotia Bank, RBC, TD, but RBC is well-settled bank because it is powerful organization in whole Canada. Their bank service is very good. It is very fast and reliable. I too have account over there in RBC. As compared to other banks, I like their service, as there are also screens inside the bank, as in the waiting area. People watch and they did not bore when they are waiting in line. They also do the charity work, as they have fresh water sustain life. In this they have project for saving the water, like they create the RBC Blue Water project, in which their main motive is to save water and decrease the wastage of water, as it is essential part of everybody's life. Next question is: identify one specific ethical lens which we have discussed that are used by our organization to differentiate itself from its competition. And this one specific ethical lens that RBC use to differentiate itself from competitor is community. RBC believes in power of communities and individuals who live in them. In 2014, RBC committed more than 104 million in donations and sponsorships worldwide to support community activities and organizations. So this lens makes it differentiate from other competitions. Now my friend Begum Ji will explain next part.
Next question is like we need an idea from the other group so that we can intimate the idea in our group. I would choose Scotia Bank, and they got TV screens on their in their branches, and that's a pretty good idea for our RBC, as they do not contain that. And so I would want that the RBC should get TV screens in their branches, as it is quite attracting, and it's like people who have to do a long process in the bank, and they have to wait there, and they do not get bored while they are sitting there. So it's a nice time consuming for the customers, and it do not get them bored. So this is an idea I would want the RBC should intimate in their branches. So thank you very much for watching our video.